Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to demonstrate that you can make sections on Pinterest. So to begin with, I'll briefly explain you what sections are. They are basically the subfolder or the subboard of any bigger board that you have. So basically, in order to create one, in order to create section or divide some board into sections, to put it in other words, just open the board that you have and that you would like to work with further, any apart from all pins obviously. And in here at the bottom of your screen you'll find the plus sign or plus icon. Tap on it, choose the section, name your future section. I'll name it to, I don't know, dogs, let's say. Tap on done, and here you have it. Now you can open this section and, well, add some ideas to it, or pins, I mean, whatever is that. Alrighty, so that would be it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.